I can introduce beaver. Uh, Beaver have very big and strong teeth that a tree of 15 centimeters in the diameter can be knocked down in only 10 minutes. And beaver's body repairs 弾く water. They have paddles on their back legs, and their tails are shaped like the oar. A big beaver dam. Well, a big beaver dam.
That remains?
A big beaver dam that remains a record is 80 meters in total length and 1.9 meters in height. And to carry a tree, beavers make a canoe. For example, 199 meters in total length and 1.2 meters in height. Width. Thank you.